teachers, classmates, school staff, and even our environment. Valuing learning and caring for school property.
Let us reflect on a short quote hadith about respect and good character.
So I respect everyone so they love me. Treat others the way you want to be treated.
If you want to be treated how you want to be treated, you have to be the same way with others, and you have to show empathy, support, and politeness.
If you want respect from somebody, you have to be respectful.
Give other respect and take respect back, so there's equality. Give respect to others and take respect for our success.
It is very important. Yeah, and respect your parents, respect your teachers, your classmates. You should show respect to everybody.
And I learned about respect and why is it important to show. If we show respect, we will get respect from our fellows, classmates, and teachers.
And listen to the teachers.
Be given to every person because each person has a right to earn respect, and we should treat others the way you want to be treated.
Today I would like to talk about a value that is small in word but powerful in action. Respect. Respect begins with understanding that every person matters. In our school, respect means listening to someone when they are speaking, following the school rules, and treating others the way we wish to be treated. It is shown not only in the big but also in the small daily choices we make. Respect for our teachers means paying attention in class, following instructions, and appreciating the effort they help to make us learn. Respect for our classmates means speaking kindly, accepting differences, and never disturbing the learning of others. Respect for our school means wearing the correct uniform, maintaining proper behavior, and protecting the school property. True respect is also shown when no one is watching. It is about doing the right thing because it is right, not because we are afraid of punishment. A respectful student builds trust, earns confidence, and becomes a positive role model for others. In the UAE, respect is a core value for our culture and our society. It reflects our values of tolerance, responsibility, and unity. When we show respect in our school, we are preparing ourselves to become responsible citizens of the future.
Believers, one from whose tongue and hands others are saved. This reminds us that being kind is not weakness, it's strength. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Respect in day-to-day matters, in every single thing that we do. Respect for parents, respect for teachers, respect for your fellows. Remember, you will not be seeing an element of disrespect wherever you are paying respect. If you want someone to be respectful to you, you need to show respect to them first. Whether it's your friends, your family, in the school, your teachers, staff members, and of course the student council, the one